Quite possibly the most durable RV sewer hose on the market is a little bit cheaper today. The Camco Rhino Extreme 20-foot sewer hose kit comes with a 4-in-1 clear elbow and all hose caps. This is as flexible as they come and will probably outlast your next 2 RVs. Amazon Prime Day is here, round 2, October 7th and 8th. Today I'm going to show you about 20 of the more popular RV accessories on sale. There will be direct links to every product we cover down in the video description, and I'll post links to other popular RV products that we don't cover in the video. This is the best-selling RV water filter of all time. If you use these filters, they should be replaced about every 3 months, regardless of how much water you use. So if you RV for 6 months of the year, pick up the 2-pack. If you're a full-timer, pick up the 4-pack. You'll be set for the entire year, and you'll save a little bit of money as well. If you don't already have a jump pack, now is a good time to pick up the popular Noco Lithium GB150. This thing is a beast. This will jump up to 9-liter gas engines and 7-liter diesel engines. This should easily cover most of you watching, but they also have their smaller jump starters on sale, so I'll link to those as well. You'll need a heated water hose if you RV in the winter and you stay connected to city water. Camco has their 25 and 50-foot lengths reduced for the sale, and if you know you're going to need more length than your factory power cord gives you, they also have their power grip extension cords discounted. I know there's a lot of extension cords to choose from, but the Camco cords are really nice. The connections are solid and very easy to use. Liquefied toilet treatment will be discounted, and one of the best deals you'll find is the 32-ounce bulk bottle. Now, this doesn't have the 1-ounce applicator, but 1 ounce is pretty easy to judge when applying. Camco's Fasten leveling blocks hit the list. Great for leveling your RV or reducing the distance you need to lower your stabilizers. They are extremely lightweight, especially for the height you get from them. Now, our travel trailer has auto leveling, but I still use these under the tongue jack. It reduces how far I need to extend my tongue jack, which in turn reduces wobbling and sway. Now, these are yellow, so they're easy to spot and don't get left behind when leaving your site. A few of you have mentioned over the years that you don't want your campsite looking like a caution flag or a construction site, and I'm with you, I don't either. So I mentioned this to Camco, and they are putting their gray blocks on sale as well. It's the exact same product, just a different color. Okay, before we move to the next item, you're probably noticing a lot of these are Camco. Unfortunately, there was just not a lot of RV product manufacturers putting their items on sale for this Prime Day. So it's gonna be a short list this time around, but I hope this video at least saves you a little bit of time. So let's get back into the list. If you travel with pets, you'll need these. Stock up while they're cheap. We have used these every day for the last 2 years and never had a catastrophic failure. For 2 cents a bag, you're probably not going to find a better bargain. Camco's Sidewinder sewer hose support lands on the list today. Most of you already know these keep your sewer hoses off the ground and going downhill, so everything quickly moves into the sewer. Some campgrounds may even require you to keep your sewer hoses off the ground. The sale is on all lengths, 10, 15, 20, and 30 footers. A general rule of thumb is to match the length of your sewer hoses. The Camco Trailer Aid is basically a tire changing ramp for dual axle trailers. Instead of lifting the trailer with a jack, you drive the good tire up and it will lift the other axle high enough off the ground to change the tire. Now, it won't work on all trailers. It does depend on a few different things. The easiest way to find out is to jump online, get on some owners groups for your specific model and ask around. But if it does work on your RV, it's a huge time saver if you're on solid ground, and it can be much safer than using a jack in a lot of situations. I personally use these Amazon Basic microfibers. They're soft, machine washable, and cheap enough that when they do start to wear out, I'll just buy more and use the worn out ones for shop rags. These have pretty good reviews and they're very affordable microfibers. I've been using the Battery Tender brand battery chargers for over 20 years. They do have a couple SKUs discounted, including their popular 5-amp charger and maintainer. This will charge 6 or 12 volt lead acid, AGM, gel cells, and lithium batteries. Perfect to keep your batteries charged after winterizing or even during periods between trips. While not directly related to an RV, the DeWalt 9-tool combo kit is reduced for Prime Day. Great price for a quality 20-volt kit. Unfortunately, Milwaukee tools are not on sale, but I do own a few DeWalts. If you're strapping stuff down in your truck bed, DeWalt also has their 10-foot, 1,100-pound retracting ratchet straps on sale as well. If you winterize your own RV and you don't have an air compressor, you might be interested in Camco's antifreeze hand pump. This will allow you to pump antifreeze through the non-pressurized plumbing lines in your RV that won't get antifreeze from the water pump. A perfect example of one of these lines is the black tank flush port. You put this on your black tank flush inlet, this goes into the antifreeze bottle, and you can pump antifreeze through the this line to push the water out of the vacuum breaker on this line. If you do have an air compressor instead, pick up one of these blowout plugs. It allows you to connect an air compressor to a garden hose thread and blow that line out. Again, even if you winterize with antifreeze, there are non-pressurized lines that really should be winterized in addition to the pressurized side. Both items are on sale. Pick up the pump if you don't have an air compressor. Pick up the blowout plug if you do have an air compressor. Quite a few Command products are on sale. The one I want to highlight today are the 20-pound XL strips that can be used to hang just about anything. So out of curiosity, I put 4 of these on this small DVD player 1,000 miles later on the horrible Pennsylvania highways, and it hasn't moved. We use these 20-pound strips to hang all our pictures and under the pantry bins so they don't slide around while we're traveling. Another black tank treatment on sale is the Camco TST Max RV Toilet Treatment Drop-ins. That was a lot. Now, I have not used these. I normally don't talk about products that I don't personally use, but these are very popular among RVers. They have orange, lavender, and ocean breeze scents on sale, and I'll put links to each one down below. If you're a fan of Renogy, they have reduced a lot of their products for Prime Day. There isn't a lot of batteries on the list this year, but plenty of charge controllers, inverters, and solar accessories to pick from. I hope this video saved you some time and money. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Unfortunately, Milwaukee tools are not on sale, but I do own a few DeWalt.